Alright, so in this video I will be doing an unboxing of the Maono Au-pm 422. So here's the box itself. It looks pretty good. I think you will have the same box when you buy it online or at a local shop. I bought mine at a local shop. So on the side you will have things such as compatible with Windows and Mac OS, sorry. So here's another look at the side. You can take a look for yourself. I'm not good at doing reviews. I'm sorry. This is the very first time I'm doing reviews or unboxing. Sorry. So at the back, you have additional information such as those. You can pause the video and take a look. I'm sorry. I'm not an expert of microphones or anything. So yeah, um, that's it for the box. You have a Maono logo on it. Let's take a look inside the box now. So inside the box you will have a user manual. I recommend you looking at it. It is pretty helpful. Then you will have a form filter. Looks like a Russian hat. Then you will have a arm pop filter, which is double-sided and it has a nice logo on it. Looks good. And the pop filter is pretty flexible. You can move it around. So below that you will have the microphone itself. It has a nice weight on it, and on the microphone, let me quickly remove my mother's hand. On the microphone you'll have the control gain, the headphone plug, and the mute button. So the mute button is pretty nice because it is touch sensitive and it changes color, so it's pretty damn good. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, below you will have a USB port. So the mic feels very nice. For the budget, for the price of the mic, it feels very good. I recommend you buying it. And then you will have a little velcro strap, and then this is the microphone mount. So this is where you will put your microphone in, and that is the mount on desk. So the you will put this boom arm on the microphone mount and put it on your table. You will also get a USB cable of 2 meters. I forgot to show you guys that, and I'm sorry for that. And that's it. I hope that you guys enjoy this quick unboxing video. Check out my channel if you are into Warzone especially. And yeah, I'll talk to you all later. Bye bye.